What is going on, guys? Philly P here. Today is March 12th or 13th. That's the 12th. All right, let's go through with this walkthrough. 29 bucks for some artillery shells. Tough guys. $49. So yeah, basically pay for two, get two. But they're buy one, get one. So these are quad brakes from Brothers. 40 bucks each. There's no tax on here, if that helps with the price. Now, I know I get a lot of comments from guys and people with stores, and usually back east it sounds like. But yeah, over here, this is Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, I'm actually in Moapa, but it's right outside of Las Vegas. And they don't really see too much California, I would believe. I mean, California mostly go to Pahrump. But yeah, these are just the prices around here. Tomahawk, $49. Got the X cows for $150 each. I don't know what these are. Now, they do have a launch site here that is 24/7. There are people there. I'm gonna go out there and check things out for a little while. Now, I know at I want to say they got those ghost tacklers. They got those at Blackjack Fireworks and Wholesale for a much better price. Same thing with these Holy Nishikis. And this is not hate on Moapa. I mean, Neon Sky is $219. Buy one, get one. King Dragon. Haven't seen those yet. Hard and Heavy, $129. Buy one, get one. Now, they had these in the 24 packs. They already sold out of them. Last time I was here last month. And they were a pretty good price. They were like 200, two something. And Moapa Madness. I like that they're kind of doing their own thing here. Their own brand. They got a couple other fireworks here. Last time, I missed the Roman candle, so we're gonna go there next. And then I'll swing back around. So 169, 170 for Saturn missiles. This is a buy one, get two free. For 10 bucks, you get 3 of them. Same thing. Here's the Roman candles. Typical world class. There we go, 8 pieces. They don't have a price on them. Oh, they're right here, 10 balls, so 20 bucks. So 10 bucks a pack. I would say that's pretty standard. All right, that's a little high for these, 10 bucks. So 2 packs, $5 a pack. $12.99, buy one, get one. This is your little small Roman candles. They had the doodle up here last time, but they're out of it. This is Shogun. You all right? $34. Let me swing around. So those are the shells. Oh, they got it right here, $24.99. I like this one, actually. I'm probably gonna pick this one up. I mean, it only went up $4 since I last saw it, so for 12 bucks, it's a pretty good deal, I feel like. $30. BFM candles. These got some weight to them. They're from United Pyro. Saturn shots. A bag of candles. Ooh, $129. I don't know how many come in there. Looks like packs. Probably about 50 candles. 10 5-packs. Maybe 10 6-packs. So all these are just Saturn missiles. Here's a 100 shot for $7.50 each. $29, 30 bucks. What are these, 300 shots? Yeah, 300 shots. Yeah, same thing. So now let's work our way around. We'll catch the firecrackers. Then we'll head over to the assortments. But $44.99, 50, 45 bucks. some Shogun. Alright. A lot of the same stuff. Water bombs, $7. I'm gonna go work the cakes. I'm gonna work my way around and come through the cakes. So these are just sparklers, guys, the whole row. So that is $1,600 single. They made sure to say that. Single sale, $249. I remember I was gonna get this for $129 last year, and I didn't do it. Now it's $219. So I was gonna grab that just to demo it on the channel. The King assortment. Try to slow down and let you guys see more of what's in here. Just in case you guys see something. This one is Great Night. It's $179. Buy one, get one free. Stars and Stripes, $179. Let me get on there so you guys can see what's going on. You guys want to pause the video? Stars and Stripes. Safe and Sane, $200. It's pretty much all fountains. Looks like a whole bunch of world class. It's another Safe and Sane. It's $149. The other one was $200. $69 for Livewire. Single sale. It's a boy, it's a girl. See, we should have done something like this. It would have been a lot easier. I got to address my gender reveal. There was some confusion. It's a girl. The fireworks were blue. I know there was some pink in there, but the majority of them were blue. And the person that read our paperwork read it incorrectly. So it's all good. I'm happy I'm having a girl. I'm not disappointed. I'm just upset that I thought I was having a boy, and then I had to have that taken back from me. So it is what it is. I accept it, and I'm happy either way. All right, night parachute, $39. This thing is heavy. Never seen that. So $6.99. These are, it used to be 3 in a pack, I thought. Little swords. Color smokes, $20. Ammo box. These are the fountains. This is cool. Let me check this out. $15 fountain, not bad. Party Delights. Yeah, you know? Evil Priest, $149. They gotta dust this thing off because they're not going nowhere. Holy moly. Yeah, I feel like that's what people say when they see Evil Priest. Holy moly. This is Moapa's brand right here. Yeah, right there. Yeah, one big fountain. It's $35 each. And we got the Redbeard, Lil Jon right here. What, this one, Lil Jon? No, but I'm about to check it out. For the buddy Redbeard. He loves fountains too, you know. It's all it's a state he lives in where he can light it. It's all he can light. That's what he lights. But he likes them all. $20. Popcorn. This one's great. Yeah, oh yeah, the dog did like it. But I can't remember what we paid for it. We didn't pay that much though. But again, I'm going off last year's prices and the year before that. I mean, I still remember 2015 prices. But yeah, I'm not gonna rant. You know, I very easily could. Happy $7.99. Buy one get two free. That's pretty cool. 16 shot. It'd be better if it was a 32 shot, but it's cool. What is this? Good Vibes pack. Little rock assortment. Yeah, this thing's heavy. What are these? Yeah, instead of looking, I should just demo it and find out. So, these are some flashers. Round bloom. Yeah. Oh yeah? All right, man. Thanks for watching. All right, man. So yeah, somebody just called me out, spotted me right here. Which one?
The ponies.
All right. I'll get one. So missiles. That's cool. That's the first person that I mean, I don't even think I've ever shown myself, but yeah, someone saw me right here. And yeah, if you guys ever think, you know, if you guys ever see someone videotaping, I guess I do a lot of Moapa walkthroughs. I'm trying to do more Pahrump ones. But $19.99, buy one, get one. Back to business. Rocket boom. Put these back here. That's it. Oh, okay. But they're $40, $20 each. Texas Lone Star. Some bees I'm willing to bet. Some little moon travelers. Classic. $20. 49. Buy one, get one. So 89. $90 for this assortment. Ain't bad. Alright, let's hit the 200 grammars. Party on. This is the one we just watched, I showed you. Philly D. Shout out to Philly D Pyro, you guys. He just hit 700 subs. Go check him out. Blowing up. Ready to rumble. Alright. I don't see no price. Oh, there they are. Slow down. Hopefully it's not. It's in focus. Bad Dude $9.99. This is tiny. I should call it Bad Deal. No, I'm just kidding though. All of a sudden, like 15 people just walked in. Starburst, $49. Strolling Willow. That one's a great one from Raccoon. I've had these ones before too. I think they were 2 for $30 though back then. Current Events Classic from Brothers. $70. 10-4. 49. Guys, it's for 2 of them though. So these are not single prices. And I believe you can mix and match. So I gotta speed this up. I have my wife with me, and I mean, she supports the channel and everything, but I drag her around everywhere I go, all these fireworks stores. Speaking of fireworks stores, I do want to get out to Goldfield, check them out. Bob over there seems like a really cool guy. And then I also want to do some more Pahrump stores, Phantom Fireworks, Outlaw, Red Apple. Who am I missing? Blackjack. Trying to hit each item. $9.99. Go for Whirlwind. Here, can you text your sister? She's all in the group chat to get that all caught up. Thank you. $129. $60. This one's great. The Boomer Bang. That's a little sleeper 200 gram cake, but it goes nice. $129. Airstrike. Wire 4, Blood Money, Inside Job, Crime Scene. This one's got a whole bunch of different tube sizes on it, dimensions, diameters, $100. Neon butterflies, $199. Cool little zipper for an opener. Cody V just did a whole video on these ones. Highfalutin, that's a classic from Brothers. Back to the fountains, we'll curve it around. So we just got 2 more rows, guys. Wrap this video up. It's a little longer than I wanted to make it, but they're stocked up. They've had these for a while. And I would go back and forth. I would swing it back and forth, but that would make me nauseous washing this, so. Voodoo, $50 each. Raccoon. This is new. Limitless, $224. It's a nice little zipper. The bomb box, one of my favorites. I mean, yeah, it sucks that it's $200 for all 4, but I got it this year. Not for that price, but I got it this year. And a lot of people ask me, where do I buy my fireworks? I do most of my fireworks on American Wholesale. No plug, no shout out, nothing like that. Just I bought it during early season August and I got a good deal on them. Other than that, I like to go to Outlaw Pyro or Red Apple Fireworks one. Catch them when they have their sales going on a lot of their stuff. Right now, they got a lot of Happy Family up there. Really cool brand. Best price on fuse. Now, I thought this was 10 seconds a foot. No, this is, where's the speed at? Probably right in front of me too. Either way, this is quick fuse. Excuse me. $69. Saw the adult snaps. $300 for Rock City. Single. Zippy Doo Dah, $300. You know what I just now noticed? Oh no, they got them over there. The no abs. $129. $109. Another pallet of the Blood Money for same price. Bam. Fast and Furious, $95. Another pallet. You want to grab one of those pony things for Garland? Yeah, just pick out 2. It's buy one get one, I believe, right? For my niece. She was going crazy on the gender reveal until those salutes started hitting. It got a little too loud for her, so we like the little stuff for her. I had Wacky Tobacco going off in it too. That was the other nice night on the board. Bustin' Big Balls, I like this one a lot. That was a great one. With the shell. But yeah, if it's your first time new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this walkthrough. Also, I will be going to other stores for more walkthroughs. I try to take my time and do detailed walkthroughs. I will say something really worth Moapa coming for is the fuse. I mean, $5 a pack, 20-foot pieces. And they do also, yeah, right here in front of my face. I also have the green Visco. I don't have the speeds on it though. Normally it says your burn rate. I think it's right there. I want to say it's 1.4 seconds. It's even faster. What does this one say? Unless I'm reading this way wrong. No, I'm reading it wrong. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you guys think.